Hello guys, today we will analyze some future markets. We will start firstly dollar index futures, and after that we will start looking others. Firstly, we will look at dollar index futures at weekly chart with COT reports. If you look at COT reports of weekly chart, we can clearly see the speculators, large banks are selling and the retailers are buying. So we can clearly see the downward moves coming in US dollar index. This is a selling area for US dollar index. And my predictions are it will go about this demand. If you look at daily chart, we can clearly see this gap on daily. I can say we can fix this gap on daily. So our projection on dollar index in daily chart 108s to 104s. Let's see next product. Our next product is EURUSD futures. In weekly chart, we can clearly see commercials are buying and our bias on dollar index is downward for little time, like 1 month or maybe 2 months, but in my opinion it will be like 1 month around. And if you look at EURUSD futures in weekly chart, we can see clear demand in here. You can see this demand. If you look at daily chart, we have rejected from weekly demand, and I think we will go up to 1099s if we remove this supply zone. If we break this supply zone, I think we can go easily this 1090s, 1080s. My bias on euro is bullish right now for a little time. But don't remember we are looking at daily charts, not very little time. We can say around a month. Okay, let's see. Next product. Next product is British Pound futures. British Pound is like same with EURUSD futures. The commercials are buying and retailers are selling. So we can see upward pressure on British Pound futures. If you look at daily chart, we can clearly see we have retracement from weekly demand, and we can say if we remove this supply zone, we can clearly see this move. Let's see Canadian dollar. Longs are like commercials. The blue line is commercial, guys, by the way. They are buying and retailers. The green line are selling. If you look at the demand area, weekly demand area, we are seeing some retracement, some go upwards from the weekly demand area. If you want to see some bigger moves, we need to see the move of this supply area. If we can see this move to the upside. Let's see New Zealand dollar futures. On weekly chart, we can see this demand here, and we can clearly see nice momentum candle on weekly, and the COT report says bullish in commercials and retailers are selling. We have nice bullish candle, and we have created some bullish formation on daily. And if you look at the supply zone, if we can break this supply zone, we can see upper levels like maybe 160s. Now we will look at gold, guys. I won't look at the Aussie. It's like same with New Zealand dollar. So let's look at GC gold futures. In weekly chart, we can see commercials are buying, and in weekly chart we have weekly demand area at here, and we have get back from its weekly demand. And if you look at daily demand, we have daily demand at here, and we have created daily supply at here. Now we have two options. We can, if we can remove this supply zone, we can take buy zone here. If we can't, we will go downwards this move, and this is a little bit risky because the weekly demand was tested, and if this area broken, we can see another retracement back around these levels, but we need to see the break of these levels if you want to see long from these areas. If we can't see downward pressure on gold, we will look at the upward pressure, and when we can see break the supply zone, we will open long positions on gold. Let's look at silver. In silver, lastly, banks offloading their longs for profit taking at the top, and we have seen major pullback. But if you look at weekly chart on silver, we can see major demand on this area. Major demand is in here between 26.5 and 29.6, 29.2. So sorry, I couldn't see. So in silver, I will wait two options. First option is we can break this supply zone like this, and after that I will chase long positions. The second option, we will go to weekly demand, and when we change weekly demand area in silver, I will look at for long positions. By the way, when I see in the charts, I always look COT reports because they are showing us what banks are doing, what retail traders are doing, and it's gold information for our traders. Our next product is nat gas. In nat gas, we can see longs still up in commercial side, but dealers are selling, so it can be go a little upside too, but I won't be in this move because I was in here like 2.3. I wasn't long. Because of that, I wouldn't take that long at here. The good area was this dimension formed on daily, and you can see 2.5s to 3s, 3.5s in 20 days. It's very good move. Now I won't touch not gas. Guys, today's analysis over. We have looked some products, some FX pairs, and some commodities on futures, and we have looked some COT data. Sorry about my broken English because I haven't talked English since like 1 year, so I think it will be better video by video. If you like the video, if you like this analysis, you can like, and if you have question about the video, if you question about the pairs, you can ask on comments. Thanks for watching. See you next video.